Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today for our group 11 will present about our group project for task 1 and task 2 for engineering economy. For the first one is to meet our group. So the first one is Nurul Atika, second one Nur Shaira, the third one Lukman Hakim, the fourth Vanessa, and the last one is me, Muhammad Hamdan Izzuddin. So for our group project, so the introduction is engineering is the profession in which knowledge of the mathematical and natural science gained by study, experience, and practice is applied with judgment to develop ways to utilize economically the material and forces of nature for the benefit of mankind. Engineering economy is a critical topic for engineers. This course teach students the importance of having working grasp of economics in order to be a successful manager and decision maker. Engineering economics evaluates the benefits and costs associated with engineering projects in order to assess if they provide sufficient savings to justify their capital inputs. Engineering economics is using engineering design and analysis techniques in order to provide products and services that please the client at an economical price. Engineering economic also applies to the design engineer who is responsible for material selections. Economic theories are utilized to make business choice in an unpredictable and changing environment. Economic theories examine demand, price, cost, production, competition, trade cycles, and national income, among other concepts. As a result, we are a group of engineers that operate in a business and are accountable for providing a current or new service to the market. We were tasked to establish a new firm and we concerned with the systematic assessment of the benefits and costs of project utilizing engineering economy ideas. For our company profile, so this is our company profile. So our company name is Sun Energy, which offer main area of all sort of solar consultancy by providing them all the way from design, installation up to maintenance of solar power system. The logo are combination of sun and solar panel. The meaning of logo is we provide renewable energy resources and green energy. So the objective for our company is to start a realistic and gain profit business and to apply engineering economic concepts on initializing new business. So our company vision is to create a better and sustainable energy resources and reduce carbon emissions. So the next one is the mission, so the mission is to provide best services for customers who need to use non-renewable energy and also reducing carbon emissions. So the core values for our company is professionalism, responsibility, and the last one is positive and friendly attitude. And the next one is in the task 2. So in the task 2, we apply the concept to the company proposal. Financial planning. Financial market planning is critical since it enables an organization to achieve its objective. To carry out our business plan, we will need to borrow a particular amount of money from the bank. Additionally, we added the budget for business services, startup, and other fixed and variable expenses such as maintenance and labor. Financial planning can be accomplished by using cash flow diagram, as we learn in engineering economics. Most business do so since it enables them to manage their financial and budgeting operations more efficiently. The term cash flow refers to the increase of the reduction in the quantity of money in a business. As we know, there is a part of what we call it the present cash flow, PF, future cash flow divided by present cash flow divide by annual cash flow divide by present cash flow, future cash flow divide by annual cash flow, and the last one is annual cash flow divide by future cash flow. This term we already learned in the subject engineering economics at the beginning of the subject. So we will use this system in our company to ensure the financial planning will be run smoothly and there is no problem to our company about financial. So that's from me. Thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Atika binti Ridwan. My part is application of business fund. Good business ethic involve improving service and finance to maximize profit. Sun Energy face challenge in providing high quality service due to high cost, space and safekeeping. To optimize profit, they need 1.03 million in capital and 30 years loan. They sought a bank loan from Maybank, which offer an excellent solution for small or medium-sized business. As you can see, this is a cash flow diagram. Assume that financing of Sun Energy has been approved in amount of 1.03 million at 5% annual interest rate. The future prepayment amount of the loan must be understood to determine the repayment strategy. The future payment amount can be calculated using this simple formula below. You can see I is stand for percent interest per year, N is 30 years loan. The approved amount is 1.03 million. By using formula, we can get the calculation above show that OPF should pay back the amount of 1.600997.627 after 30 years period time.
Hello and hello and good evening. So I will be talking about the determination of monthly installment in the chapter 3. So to remain sustainable, Sun Energy must take out loans from a bank. According to the calculations, the debt will be paid off in a few years. A monthly payment is an installment loan, often known as an installment debt. As a result, Maybank provides the business with an installment loan with equal monthly payments over a certain number of months. Due to the enormous amount of the principal, the company had to borrow money from a bank. Calculated over a certain period, these figures contain both principal and interest, O divided by F or P divided by F, can be used to calculate of the monthly payment. So monthly payment are represented by A, while total debt payment to the bank are represented by F. Calculation made from previous section show that the F value is RM 1600 with 1,600,000 with an interest rate of 5% for a 30 years loan from the bank. So we can determine that I is the year, so is the number of interest. So we put 5%. If I equal to 5% and n is the number of years to finish the payment. From interest table below, so if you want to calculate, the interest is A divided by F multiplied by 5% multiplied by 30 equal to 0.01505. So next, if you want to find the A, so use the formula A over F equal to bracket A over F multiply I multiply N, and then we just arrange the F into the right hand side, and then we just put the value that we got in the table. So divide A over F, multiply 5% and multiply 10, we get 1 million, and then we multiply the 1,600,000 to the interest that we got, which is 0.01515. Thus we got 2,000 2,400,000. per year. So and then put in the formula, and then we per year we want to find what is the installment for per month. So 2 million divided by 12, we got 200,000 per month. So the monthly installment is, as demonstrated figure, is F equal to 1,600,000. After that, we create a cash flow diagram. As you guys can see at the figure above, figure 1.2, we can know for 12 months. So we know the A is 200,000, and for the I, for the interest is 5% per year, compound annually. So when we know there are 12-month installments, so we just have to divide the bracket into 12 times.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Shahira binti Salihin and my matrix number is CD 2031. So I will present for evaluation. So we will use present word method. PW equal to PO plus A1 plus A2 times P over AIN plus FP over FIN. So for the statements, PW less than 0 is non-profitable. PW equal to 0 is break even, which is cost equal to profit. And PW more than 0 is profitable. Annual sale, which is A1, is equal to fixed cost plus variable cost plus monthly installment times 12. So we will get RM 1,040,592 plus RM 2032.59 times 12, which is we will get 1,064,983 at cent ringgit. So for the initial cost, PO is equal to negative 1,030,000. Annual sale A1 equal to 1,064,983. For residual value F, which is 15,000. Life expectancy of company N is 30 years. So this is the cash flow diagram. We will we need to find the present worth. So where is interest is 5% per year. PW equal to PO plus A1 times P over AIN plus FPFIN. So we will substitute all the information and we will get 9,018,658 ringgit, which is more than 0. So we can count it as profitable. Since the present worth is greater than 0, therefore the investment is profitable.
Salam sejahtera, I'm Vanessa Jimmy and my matrix number is CD20073. As for the conclusion, the experiment objective has been reached. We also implemented a few solution to the technical problem that necessitate a true evaluation of the service provided to satisfy the client at a fair cost. By utilizing our understanding in engineering economic, we have therefore assisted in distinguishing between the profitable and the non-profitable in this company. It has provided the foundation of knowledge for the development of our corporation. We must presume that the company's investment is a success. That is all from our group. Thank you.